Hi guys, now I'm so excited to show you the new ZTE gaming phone and the ZTE Neo5G. So this is a very unique designed gaming device, and this is also a cost-effective gaming model in the market. And ZTE this time they provide a very unique design on the back panel. As we can see, is used a lot of yellow color and also the texture and also very nice design. At back design is cyberpunk style design, and also this time they used a 6.6-inch LCD screen, and the display resolution reached to 2408 and 1080. It support 100 Hz refresh rate, and this time the thickness of the smartphone body is 7.98. And also this phone used the Android 13 based MyOS. We check the information here. Based on Android OS, and model name, device name Nubia Neo5G, and it's provide 8 GB RAM plus 10 extended virtual RAM, and the RAM and the ROM 256. So this is very convenient and used for the RAM information, and also this time for the battery is get 4500 battery with 22.5 watt fast charging, and they keep the 3.5 mm headphone jacket and NFC functions. And also here's the Antutu score. Here we get more information from the Antutu application. So you did a lot of tests through the application Antutu. And also I can inform you that this time they don't use Snapdragon and MediaTek chips. They use the Unisoc T820. It's a Unisoc. It's a Chinese on-developer octa-core processor. It's equivalent to Snapdragon Qualcomm 765G and Huawei Kirin 820. So this is about chips, and they use the ARM Mali G57MC4 GPU, and it reached to 850 MHz. It's more test scores of the sensor. It shows all the sensors this smartphone get. If with a red circle with a dash, it means it doesn't support. So yes, and also I can show you the camera and GPU information. As I mentioned, the GPU this time is also okay, because this smartphone is low-end products for the gaming users, so it's have a very cost-effective, low price. And but the performance of this device, I think, is a middle-end specifications. And here is the camera test, and this time it provides 8 megapixel front camera with dual camera, 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera solutions, and it supports 10 times zoom and wide angle as well. So here I'm going to have a very simple camera test and a video shooting test for the Nubia Neo5G. And also this phone currently is only available in Southeast Asia countries. In European, United States, and China, it's start and sell this time, and to provide two colors, black and yellow. And personally, I really like the yellow one. And here's the front camera zoom. It also supports 10 times zoom for the front camera, so this is very nice function. But actually, to be frank, the quality of camera is so. It's not so high quality, and I think this is one thing they should improve. But let's go back. It's okay. It's a gaming phone, so mainly I think the focus on the gaming part. Yes, video test of the Neo5G, and also this time the price is really acceptable. It's less than $200 in the market. Okay, also another sample test for the camera. So okay, so this is today's very quick and very simple hands-on and talking video on the Nubia from the ZTE Nubia 5G. And here are some sample pictures, and let's enjoy it. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.